كيف حالك؟
Kaifa halu.
كيف حالك؟
Kaifa haluka haluka. So what's your name? How do you say?
ما اسمك؟ ما
Mat
اسمك؟
my
ما
smoke.
اسمك؟ Yes. What's your name?
My
Its
smoke.
name.
Okay, after a long time, we are making a conversation and uh, we were busy. That's why we didn't make any conversation. So right now we are on video call. So how are you doing, brother?
I'm doing very well. What about you, brother?
Yeah, I'm pretty well. So where are you from?
I'm from India,
Okay, which part of India?
UP. My UP is my state. Okay. So, firstly, brother, I will introduce myself. As you can see, this my name is Muhammad Tariq. I'm calling from Uttar Pradesh, India. If I talk about my educational qualification, I am a postgraduate in Arabic language. When it
Arabic.
comes to my home, Arabic, yes, I have done master in Arabic. Hmm.
Okay,
After
that's
that,
really nice. It's quite
hmm,
interesting.
yeah, after right now, I have been teaching in a college.
Glad to know that you are graduated on Arabic language as well as masters. Yes, my name is Aminul. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student of honors first year, and my subject is political science. In my free time, I like to make conversation for my practicing purpose. Yeah, that's all about me. So, brother,
Okay, you are pursuing your graduate.
no, no, I'm not graduated. I'm
Okay, okay. What are you
student.
doing, brother?
Right now, actually, I'm doing a part-time job at a school for my life.
Okay, okay. As a teacher.
Yeah, as a teacher.
Okay, what do you teach?
I teach English.
English. Oh, wow. It's a
Yes.
hmm,
So, which subject
what
do you
were you?
teach?
I'm teaching Arabic. Arabic.
Arabic. So, can you speak Arabic?
Of course, I can.
Oh my God. So, you're from Uttar Pradesh. In your family members, they can speak in Arabic.
No, no, no. Yeah.
So, tell me something about your speaking journey. When did you start to learning this language?
It's been 1 year. 1 year. You past last 1 year.
Yeah.
I had started to speak in English. Uh, but brother, I have been connecting to you for a long time because I don't use every day. It's because of lack of the time, lack of the responsibility. There are many responsibilities, so that's why I don't use every day.
Can you tell me something in Arabic language?
What What were you listening
Okay.
to me? Oh,
How do you say how are you?
كيف حالك؟
Kaifa halu.
كيف حالك؟
Kaifa haluka haluka. So what's your name? How do you say?
ما اسمك؟ ما
Mat
اسمك؟
my
ما
smoke.
اسمك؟ Yes. What's your name?
My
Its
smoke.
name. Hmm.
Okay. So are you fluent
أنا
in Arabic language?
أنا من أنا من بولاية उत्तर प्रदेश. It's mean I am from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. So you are fluent in Arabic.
No, no, brother. Just I had studied, so that's why I can speak. I'm not very
Okay.
fluent in Arabic.
So I can say you are a Hafiz.
Hmm.
You memorize all the Quran. Am I right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
You're right.
So do you pray 5 times in a day?
Of course, brother.
You are a really Islamic minded person.
I'm very religious. I know.
I'm
I
happy to talk with you.
so that's why I have to fulfill all the religious activities to show my mothers, my family members. They
Okay.
have expectation from me, so that's why I have to do.
Okay. So tell me something. How did you get the job at college?
Okay,
To
so
get
brother,
interview?
Firstly, I was preparing for my further studies for PhD. So one of my friends has came me, Tariq, you are here. If you will, there is a school of CBSE board where I am teaching. Firstly, I was teaching their Urdu language.
Urdu.
Hmm. So yeah, so after that, it's where I have taught the students 3 months only. After that, then I got a chance to join the college. Then I have gone there to for demo, and I have cleared it. Then I had joined it.
Okay, that's really nice. So, do you have any plan in future? Will you want to do any good job better this job?
Yes, I have. I
So
want to be a
first,
professional, so that's why I have been preparing for that as well. For my duty, for my job, I have been doing like
oh,
preparation as it is going on. Yeah,
okay, I understand.
yeah.
And what do you do for your improve your speaking English without making conversation?
No, I don't do it. Just, just I have indulge myself into teaching. I don't do anything in regarding English right now. But earlier I used to do many things. It's like reading, talking, watching, listening, everything I will do. And I will do not, I have done already. But right now I don't do anything just because of teaching. My
Okay,
job
so
and mhm.
okay, so by which language do you teach your student at college? Which language do you use?
Sometimes English, sometimes
Okay, I understand. So I said you, which language do you use in your college to teach your student?
sometimes English, sometimes Urdu language. Both they understand
Okay,
for
so
both language.
you can also speak in Urdu.
Of course, it's my
Okay.
mother tongue. I don't know. I have learned many things from madrasa, where I had studied from madrasa. So I have done all my things from Urdu language
Okay,
as
you
well.
are you are really you are really genius. Actually, in every student of madrasa, they are really genius and they are really creativity person. So in future, do you have any plan to go out of your country?
No, no, no. I don't have any plan to go. Just I have a plan to complete all my study. Then I will think to go there.
Okay, don't you like to traveling?
Yeah, I like. I have traveled many times when I was studying at my college. But right now, I just focus on my career, on my job, on my everything which is better for me in future. So I love to do.
So okay, so in your student life, how many state have you visited in India?
Uh, 4 states I have visited to join, to enjoy with my friends. Delhi and Hyderabad, Lucknow. Here I studied all my study. I completed all my study from Lucknow University. So
In student life, we got inspiration. We got more time to travel, and after completing college life, actually we stay busy. We stay busy about our life on our career, and we don't get much time to travel to do anything.
but look, my brother,
Yeah.
what we're doing? What
So
are we doing, brother? After
sorry.
graduation, what will you do?
Actually, after graduated, I don't have any specific plan. Actually, I want to do a independent job in my future, and I don't like job. Actually, I like freelancing, and in freelancing there is no pressure, there is no want. You
Mm.
can work when you feel like to work. So actually, in after graduated, I want to freelancing and I want to travel around the world.
Wow, it's very good.
Yes. Actually,
So, which
life
part
is
of
very small.
Bangladesh you belong to, brother? Can I know?
Sorry, can you repeat?
In which part of Bangladesh you belong to?
Which part of Bangladesh I belong to?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, in Bangladesh, I live in Mymensingh district. Have you heard this district name?
No, no. What's that?
Mymensingh, Mymensingh, Momishing.
No, means no. I don't. I have
Okay.